Here I have ASUS ZenFone 5Z, and let me show you how to activate the portable hotspot on the following device. At the very beginning, select the list of all applications, then open the settings. Here pick connections, the first icon, and now pick hotspot and tethering. To activate portable Wi-Fi hotspot, simply tap on the switcher. Just give a few seconds your device to enable it, and then if you would like to personalize it, just tap on the icon, the portable Wi-Fi hotspot icon, and here you can change the network name just by tapping here and changing it. Then you can also update your password by entering a new one. You just have to remember that your password must have at least 8 characters. Once the changes are done, just tap on save. And just one more time, activate the portable hotspot. You can also show someone a QR code by tapping on QR code network access. So you can simply tap on it and it will pop up. And if you'd like to turn off your portable Wi-Fi hotspot, simply tap on the switcher that it was activated at first. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.